Do you need a facelift, a neck lift, or both? So a facelift treats the jowls. The jowls is that sagging skin sort of down from the corner of your mouth that sort of hides your normal underlying jawline or your mandibular border. So what a facelift does is it lifts your cheek tissue up, which moves your cheek tissue up where it's supposed to be, and at the same time treats your jowls, because jowls are caused or formed by cheek tissue that's sitting too low on your face. So that is what a facelift does, is it treats your jowls by lifting up your cheeks. A neck lift treats the sagging skin of your lower neck, and it does that by tightening and removing extra skin behind your ear. So to really tighten up your jawline, most people who are in their 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s need a facelift to pull the cheek up this way and a neck lift to tighten the neck skin that way. And those two procedures at the same time will define the jawline. So I hope that summarizes whether you need a facelift, neck lift, or both. In summary, facelifts treat jowls, neck lifts treat extra loose skin of the neck. To learn more about each procedure in detail, check out my other videos. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.